Do you want to know where to put all your money while you're traveling? I'm going to tell you how I do it in this video. A question I get quite a lot is, where do I put all my money that I'm taking with me while I'm traveling? So when I'm at home, I'm usually carrying around a wallet like this. Huge, tons of cards, tons of, just change and crap in there. It's not what I want to take with me while I'm traveling. When I'm traveling, I par down everything. You only want to take with you what you're going to need. Now, I put everything in a smaller wallet so that it is a lot easier to stick into smaller bags because I'm carrying smaller bags with me during the day, and it's just easier to find everything. Plus, I'm not going to need a ton of room for a load of cards that we all have nowadays. You want to make sure that you are going out for the day. Only carry with you one credit card, one debit card, and just the money that you need for that day. I like to keep a little emergency money in my shoe. I usually stick a $50 bill in my shoe underneath the insole. That way I don't get sweaty money. If you're staying in an accommodation that doesn't have a safe, what you can do is you want to carry around your money in a travel belt. Now, there's all different sorts of kinds. There's smaller ones, bigger ones. There's ones with RFID, and just depends on what you're going to be carrying in there. Now, the number one thing that you do not want to do is you don't want to use it like a wallet. So there's none of this, going through, counting out your money and figuring out how much you got to pay the dude. Don't do that. There's a reason why it's called a money belt and it's supposed to go under your clothes, so no one knows it's there. Once you use it, you're going to be more of a target for thieves. So you want to make sure you only use that in an emergency. So an emergency could be you can't live without that jacket and they take cash, or it could be someone stole your wallet and you need to get home. So it's one of those things that when you do use it, now you don't want to start using it while you're out in public. Go somewhere that you can be a little bit more discreet and just take out the money that you need. Another thing that women can use is this secret bra stash. That's really hard to say for some reason, but they're really great. Basically, all you do is you put in your cards and a little bit of money in here, and then you can strap it on to your bra underneath your shirt. I like to use these little inserts. You can get them at the dollar store. I put my money in these because it becomes sweaty money if you don't put it in there. Now, guys, if you're traveling and you like to have your wallet in your back pocket, I recommend putting it in the front pocket, but some of you guys, I know you just can't get your brain around that. If you just can't get your head wrapped around putting your wallet in your front pocket, I highly recommend that you do this little trick. What you need, rubber band, and you need to wrap that rubber band around your wallet. Now, this isn't foolproof, but it is an extra layer of protection because once you put it into your pocket with the rubber band on, it is harder to pull out of your back pocket as a pickpocket. So definitely get a band bigger than this, thicker than this, and that'll stop it easier. But it's a great way if you're wanting to keep it in your back pocket, put the rubber band around it, and it will help a little bit. But I also do recommend putting it in the front pocket. I know it looks ridiculous, but okay, so I hope these tips help you out determining what to do with all your money. If you like this video, please subscribe. I give out all tips and tricks and information about travel. If you like it, give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, put them down below and I will get back to you. You can also download for free my Vacation Blueprint Starter Kit. I will put the link below. And these are all the different ways that you can reach me. So I will talk to you guys later and I will see you next week. Bye!